Okay, so now I have bought a diesel heater for my vent or lavabo that I'm using. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. This is a cheap Chinese diesel heater. And I have bought this wheel step. I'll try to put that on so I can get it over the ground. So we'll see how that turns out. I will now put this thing together and see how it looks like and if it will suit my wishes. So we'll see. Okay, now to see if it fits my wheel. Yeah, that fits okay. That will be nice, I think. Okay, it fits great, but I don't like it blue, so now to dismantle it and paint it. I almost forgot. I need to bolt this to this, so before painting I need to mark where I want it and make the holes so I can bolt it down. I decided to weld on 2 small legs on the outside underneath, so I can let it stand on the ground if I need to. Steady. So yeah, a little update there. I almost forgot to make a hole for the exhaust and inlet pipes. So here we have it. Alright, now it's ready for paint.
Check it. Check it. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
So now it's painted and put back together, and I also bolted on the diesel heater. So now we're gonna check out how it looks. Okay, time to check out this little diesel heater. First thing I noticed, it's difficult to open it. So first little fix. Bend this, and now I can open it. Do it on the whole floor. Now the 4 clamps are fixed, so I can open them. And now we'll see how it looks like. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And put some rubber on here, around here. I'll show you. It's sharp edge here that will eventually break a hole in the hose and even in the electrical wires. So got some, and take some rubber around there. Okay, I try to put it on. Okay, a bit long. Yeah, this will work out, I think. Now it's time for the air filter hose and to find out where I want to have that. Like that, I think. I thought I saw something. Yep, perfect. It's a hole so I can get to the clamp. Let's see. And here you can see the hole for both clamps. And here the pipe comes out. Okay, decided to do a wrap on this liter so it doesn't stand out that much. Yeah. After much back and forward, I think I have found out how I want my exhaust. See how? See, I made it like that. And maybe put it on like this. We'll see how this works out when I start testing it. I bought a set of these clamps that I will put on like this, I think. Somehow. I'll show you when I have put them on. Okay, so this is how the clamps went on. One here, one there. So I can have the exhaust here when I don't use it. So I think that will be good. So now I just have to save up some money for the last parts and for the power supply, you know, battery and stuff like that. Then it will be ready to be tested. Okay, so this is how my diesel liter turned out. So you see, and here take this off when I don't use it. I just clamp it on like that. Perfect, I think. You see in real life how it turns out. I think this will work.